You can be Shrek if you want. I don't care, as long as it all goes down. You want hot sauce? No problem. We got hot sauce for you. Ooh. Ready for sport, I guess.
I don't know if you can afford the calories.
All the strategy.
A lot of extra calories.
You're gonna put hot sauce on this. Oh my goodness.
If we're gonna have a coronary right here, I'm gonna enjoy it.
Maybe sit on it.
I'm shaking. Never mind that. Holy crap.
Look at that.
So I say good luck to everybody. Okay? And we'll be calculating the time.
I hate this one.
Good luck.
I'll take one.
I figured
All in the year in my hands, he says.
This is gonna be so good.
Really, my last words?
Hmm?
Good guys.
Okay.
Keep it down.
We'll start. You guys ready? Everybody ready? No problems? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Kind of plates, Jess. One.
Have you done this before? I have. I know how to use it. Texas.
Chew.
Oh my god, his burger's hard to swallow.
So hard. He's intimidating, yes.
Yeah, the burger looks intimidating, Jess.
Nobody really is listening to us. I'm going to intimidate the basket.
So do you want a burger takeout?
Yeah, actually, you would definitely.
No, I just know how to eat them. Like, people actually do eat
Alexis knows.
I do.
I'm trying, yeah. Oh my god.
No real dinner conversation.
No.
I would think there'd be a little bit more dinner conversation.
Anything to say, guys?
Man, they're going? Yeah.
Doing good? Doing good?
Coming up to 2 minutes now, guys.
You okay? You okay? Yes?
Ready to dial 911 anytime somebody needs it. There you go, thank you.
I can't. The cup's in the way. She's my girl. I'm telling you.
Oh my god, they're all shaking. Did you notice that?
Well, man, like you get it.
Wait.
Oh,
Anybody need something? You're still not some? Here we go. You're good, you're good. Straight, you're good. Okay. Stand here. That's it, Jess.
I killed the fish. I started on the last little bite.
No, someone throws up. I'm dipping.
Kim, let's just go the box, okay? Whatever they got in there.
I told you. I called it.
3 minutes, 15 seconds.
Yeah. Which one?
It's coming.
Go, guys, go. Come on. See some guys about 60% finish right now.
Let's go, Jess.
Said Jess.
Man, Howland's killing the guy.
Nice, man.
My guy's doing good too.
Everything. Crowd is so quiet. Cheer them on.
You're going for
Come on, Bobby.
Come on, Jess, you're going for speed now. Stop chewing.
Let's go. You're there, too. Good go.
Let it in.
Howland's too close. Like, look at that.
Don't look at us.
Look at that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Bobby's coming down to the straight line here.
I don't know.
Almost there. Bobby and Jesse. Bobby and Jesse's coming down the line. Oh, Bobby. Ah, there's still some.
Jess. Lick the plate, Jess.
Come on, Jess.
1 minute 46. Now we're going to second place. Come on, guys.
Champion.
12 minutes, Alan?
4 minutes. 4 minutes. Way to go.
You want to?
Hit that?
Renee's like this every night. That's why we bought a cow.
Second place coming up. Bobby's coming down to his final stretch.
Come on, Bob.
And then it's third. Still got to go for third.
4 minutes.
I didn't even get any on my shirt.
Pretty good.
Or your beard.
Yeah. My guy's second.
Come on, Bob. Almost done.
Second place, Bobby Roy. 5 minutes, 46 seconds. 5 minutes, 46. Third place. Oh, William's coming down to the stretch now. He's not far behind.
More hot sauce.
Anthony. Oh, yes, that bite's coming along. Holly, come on, you're falling behind. Is that beef steak? Is that beef? Yes. Oh,
Yeah,
cheese
one,
and
one that was rough.
So, Montana's all you can eat ribs. Let's go.
Did you eat that one?
Can't do it? Ah, we got a forfeit. Third place still coming in. Third place still there.
You want to box that up?
You're almost at the stretch.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, well, Anthony, yes, you're in there. Oh, yes, sir. Steven, you're in contention. We're ready for third right now.
There's
I
only
know.
a couple things that I'm really good at. It's the second one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Kim, get him another drink.
More water, more water.
Water. Yeah.
Look at that sportsmanship. All right.
Yeah, what's in that though?